To enable Trust Wallet Face ID login, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. Ensure you are running the latest version of the app to avoid any compatibility issues. First, navigate to the app's settings by tapping on the profile icon or the three lines in the top left corner, depending on your device and app version. This will take you to the main menu where you can access various features and settings. Next, look for the Security section within the Settings menu. This section may be labeled as Security, Account, or something similar, depending on the app version. Tap on this option to proceed to the Security settings. In the Security settings, you will find various options related to account security, such as password, fingerprint, and facial recognition. Look for the Face ID or face recognition option and toggle the switch to enable it. You may be prompted to enter your password or confirm your identity through another method for added security. Once you have enabled Face ID, the app will guide you through the process of setting it up. This typically involves scanning your face to create a unique facial map that will be used for future logins. Make sure your face is well lit and centered in the frame to ensure accurate detection. After setting up Face ID, you can test it by locking and unlocking the app. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to unlock the app by simply looking at your device. Remember to keep your device and app up to date to ensure the Face ID feature continues to work smoothly. It is also important to note that enabling Face ID login does not compromise the security of your wallet. Trust Wallet uses advanced encryption and secure protocols to protect your assets, and the Face ID feature is designed to provide an additional layer of convenience and security. By following these steps, you can easily enable Trust Wallet Face ID login and enjoy a more seamless and secure experience with your cryptocurrency wallet.